Starting on the home page, let's start by looking for a product. You can scroll through our products by category, or you can search by keywords or SKU in the search bar. From the product page, you can find the details such as features, benefits, and technical specifications. You can also click the Literature tab to see specific literature for the product. You can also visit our resource library to explore all of our digital assets. From the home page, scroll down to find the View Resource Library and click to enter the library. In the library, you can view brochures, catalogs, manuals, and more.